Okay, we're going to take and put this decal right here on this. I've already cut this part out, cut the vinyl, so that this is just the back of it. Now before you start doing anything, you want to prep your bike. This is 26 ounces. It's just a bottle from Rural King. I fill it up with water and then put 8 to 10 drops of dishwashing soap in there. Clean this off real good. Then I take rubbing alcohol and rub this down. That'll take care of any of the wax buildup that you have on here. Then I take this and I wet this down. So when I lay this decal on there, I can slide it around. Gives me more time to do what I need to do. What I had to do is cut this apart down here. That helps lay this in. Now it's not going to be a real tight, perfect fit up here at the top, because I gotta be able to give you a little wiggle room. If your badge is pulled off of your tank a little bit, that would slide in there and get a little bit closer. But mine's not, and so I'll just have to deal with that little gap. This little stripe here, you could take that off if you wanted to. It causes you too much problem because it's bowing in. The tank does. Now, you go ahead and spray this down. That way you can rub it with your finger, with your credit card. And if you bought one of the squeegees. I have those squeegees on my Facebook page. Now since I did a wet install, I use a hairdryer to add some heat to it. Don't put a lot of heat on it. You just want to get rid of that water. And this aids in making that decal stick. If you wanted to, you could wait the next day to take this transfer tape off. But if you're in a hurry and and want to see what it looks like, you can go ahead and start it. But just beware, it's wet underneath there and it's not completely stuck. Now if you did a dry install, then you wouldn't have to worry about this section, this part. But you hold it down in place. Like I said, you add that heat to it. I'll add more heat to it once I get this pulled off. You just gotta be careful that you don't add too much heat, and not that you're gonna melt it, but it'll start bubbling up. I was thinking ahead of time, I should have cut this transfer tape all the way across here. That way I could have had this done. we go. Let me give you a closer look. Kind of hard to do this considering that's on the, I can't see what I'm filming. But I'm going to put on the other side this one, because I don't know which color I want. I sure do like that. I'll give you a picture of it at the end when I have this one installed. Thank you for watching.